Hello friends, today it's all about a quick lip-smacking chutney. We are going to be making Allam Pachadi, which is ginger chutney. This is an Andhra special dish which goes very well with dal-based dosas like Adai, Pesarattu or the tur dal dosa that I shared a couple of days back. So come on, let's get started making this super duper tangy, yummy and sweet and spicy ginger chutney. To begin with, let us add 1.5 teaspoons of oil to a cast iron pan. When the oil has heated up, let us reduce the flame to low and let us add 1 tablespoon of broken white urad dal along with 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Next, we shall add 4 dry red chilies which has been torn into pieces. And along with this, let us add 20 grams of ginger which has been peeled and chopped. Now let us fry this on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes till the pungence of the ginger reduces a little and the dals become golden and fragrant. Once this is done, transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. Once cooled, to a blender jar, let us add 1.5 teaspoons of tamarind paste and all the cooled and roasted dal mixture and the ginger. Friends, this chutney is a great digestive chutney, so do try it with all high protein based dishes. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for regular updates. Now let us add 1 tablespoon of jaggery to our chutney and the salt to taste. Along with this, let us add 1/4 cup of water and blend this into a really smooth paste. Once done, let us do the tempering for this Allam Pachadi. For this, I have heated a teaspoon of oil in a small pan, popped a teaspoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of urad dal along with curry leaves. For more recipes, visit tomatoglues.com. Thank you for watching the video, friends. We'll be back again with another video very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.